I'm Dr. Ryan Blake, and I'm the pediatric dentist at East Mesa Children's Dentistry and Orthodontics. As a father myself, I have 3 kids. I know that parents really just want the best for their kids, the absolute best. One of the values that we really try to hold to today, and especially myself, is to treat every kid or treatment plan every kid or child like they were my own. I think that's the only fair way to do things in dentistry, and having that conversation and that dialogue with parents really helps us to do that.
I don't like doctors that just kind of hide out in their office. He's out here talking to patients. He comes in when they're getting their teeth cleaned just to check on you, to meet you, to get to know you. And I really like that. I can tell he truly cares and that he's excited to get to know his patients.
We saw a need in this location, growing area, lots of young families. So we thought it would be a great place to come in and offer just exceptional pediatric dentistry to a growing community. I love seeing the difference between when a child first comes in, may have anxiety, may be a little bit scared, may have had previous experiences that they're having a hard time with.
My youngest daughter, who's 7, she's had some traumatic experiences with other dentists in the valley, and Dr. Blake and his team were so good with her. They informed her of everything that was going on. This was our first time that there were no tears, no fear. It was wonderful.
It's nice to see that there's a difference that's been made, and they leave with a smile on their face, they leave with confidence, and happy and excited about coming back to the dentist and having a real dental home. Anybody that comes into our office, we want them to feel like family.
I think my favorite part about coming here is that we feel like family. They know who I am, they know who my kids are. It's just a really family-friendly environment.
After that takes place, we just want to provide the best possible treatment for the kids and families that we can. You'll notice that when a family walks in the door, communication is a big factor, and it's a difference that we have here versus other offices, where we really take the time to understand individual needs, and then we have the tools in our toolbox to meet those, to provide exceptional dentistry, offer great communication, and help the child feel comfortable and confident while we do the treatment that's necessary or needed.
I like how the office staff here is just very open with you. They explain it all well, and they've been great about calling me. They had to reschedule an appointment, which was totally fine, but they called me well in advance and made sure they got a good day for me.
We see all types of patients from different backgrounds, patients that have different needs, maybe special needs patients, or patients that have different levels of anxiety, right? So our job and our goal is to help those types of patients, and all of our patients just feel as comfortable and as confident as they can at the dentist.
We started a group home about 3 years ago, and we've had clients that have had dental experiences that have been less than desirable or have not had any previous dental experience, even up to teenage years. And so we were looking for a dental office that would be comfortable for them, that they would not be afraid of. We have loved our experience here. Our girls feel safe. They feel like Dr. Blake has their best interest at heart, and they enjoy coming to the dentist where maybe they haven't been in the past, or they've had terrible experiences, and a lot of them have a lot of work that need to be done, and Dr. Blake lets them know, this is what we gotta do, and it's okay, and he doesn't make them feel less for having the work that needs to be done.
It's natural for a kid to have some apprehension when they're coming into any type of doctor's office. So we like them to be as comfortable as they can be, so that's why we offer the amenities that we do. Things like movies and iPads, those are natural and familiar things to kids. There's a technique that we use called tell, show, do. Really, we tell them what's going on, we show them what instruments we use, how they're going to be used, and then we can do the procedure.
Can go on the iPad, they can watch TV, they had those games. They like the Cavity Free Club, to be able to be part of that. My daughter loves to show her certificate. I'm part of the Cavity Free Club. They get these little coins at the end of their visits if they do well, and then they can get a treat from a little vending machine. They love that too. There's just so much that keeps them wanting to come back and excited to come and visit.
As a pediatric dental specialist, the types of services that we offer, really number one, just your simple basic restorative dentistry, taking care of the kids' needs that way, anywhere from extractions to space maintenance to growth and development. Really, we're taking the child from kind of the infant stages all the way through teenage years. So we're offering any service that they need to really contribute to their oral health long term. We just want the kids to have an exceptional experience here and just love coming to the dentist.